Alpha and beta are the zeros of the given polynomial. Polynomial is in T. We are to find a new polynomial with new zeros 2α plus 3β and 3α plus 2β. For this, first of all, we are to find new sum and new product. And for this, here a is coefficient of t square, value of a is 2, b is -5 and c is constant term plus 3. Now alpha and beta are the zeros of given polynomial, so we can find alpha plus beta, which is minus b by a. Minus b is -5 and a is 2. Minus into minus is plus. This is 5 by 2. Alpha into beta is equal to c by a by formula. C is 3, a is 2. Now we will find new sum. For new zeros, zeros are 2α plus 3β and 3α plus 2β. So we will find sum of new zeros. Plus 3α plus 2β. 2α plus 3β, because यहाँ प्लस है तो साइन will not be change. Alpha and alpha will be added. 5α, 3 and 2, 5β. 5 common into alpha plus beta. Now put values of alpha plus beta, which is 5 by 2. 5 into 5, it becomes 5 by 25 by 2. Now we will find new product. For product is product of new zeros 2α plus 3β into 3α plus 2β. तो इसको हम कैसे प्रोडक्ट करते हैं? पहले 2α को फुल ब्रैकेट से मल्टीप्लाई करेंगे. 2α इंटू 3α प्लस 2β प्लस साइन, और 3β को फिर फुल ब्रैकेट से मल्टीप्लाई करेंगे. 3β इंटू 3α प्लस 2β. Now 2α, this 6α into alpha square. 2 2s are 4, alpha beta. 3 3s are 9, alpha into beta. अब 3β को 2β से मल्टीप्लाई करेंगे. 3 2s are 6. टर्म वाइज जितनी भी टर्में होती हैं हम सब से मल्टीप्लाई करते हैं. सो 6 alpha स्क्वायर प्लस 6 बीटा स्क्वायर. अल्फा बीटा वाली टर्में ऐड हो सकती हैं, तो दिस 13 alpha बीटा, 6 कॉमन, अल्फा स्क्वायर प्लस बीटा स्क्वायर प्लस 13 अल्फा बीटा. अल्फा बीटा की वैल्यू हमारे पास है, बट अल्फा स्क्वायर प्लस बीटा स्क्वायर की नहीं है, तो इसकी वैल्यू सबसे पहले हमें क्या करनी पड़ेगी? फाइंड करनी पड़ेगी. अल्फा स्क्वायर प्लस बीटा स्क्वायर के लिए वी नो दैट बाय यूजिंग स्क्वायर फॉर्मूला अल्फा प्लस बीटा स्क्वायर इज इक्वल टू अल्फा स्क्वायर प्लस बीटा स्क्वायर प्लस 2 अल्फा बीटा. Put values of alpha plus beta and alpha into beta. Alpha plus beta is 5 by 2 square. Alpha into beta is 3 by 2. 2 से 2 cancel. It becomes 25 by 4 is equal to alpha square plus beta square plus 3. On the other side, it will go with minus sign is equal to alpha square plus beta square. Now by taking LCM, 4 से 4 को LCM, डिनोमिनेटर से LCM को डिवाइड करेंगे 1, मल्टीप्लाई न्यूमिनेटर 25. 1 3 के बाई में क्या है 1, 1 से 4 को डिवाइड करेंगे तो 4 आएगा, मल्टीप्लाई न्यूमिनेटर 3. 25 माइनस 12 अल्फा स्क्वायर प्लस बीटा स्क्वायर. ऑपोजिट साइन सब्ट्रैक्ट हो जाएंगे और ग्रेटर का साइन. 25 इज ग्रेटर, So by using alpha square formula, we can find alpha square plus beta square. Now we will use the value of alpha square plus beta square in this product to find this product. 6 into 13 by 4, which is value of alpha square plus beta square, and value of alpha into beta is 3 by 2. By cutting the with 2, 2 3s are 2 2s are 4. It becomes 39 by 2 plus 39 by 2. Now by taking LCM, so answer of new product is 39. So we have to find the product of new zeros, which is 39. So new sum is 25 by 2 and product is 39. Now polynomial is in t. So we will find first equation which will be in t. Variable t. Formula of equation is t square minus sum of zeros into t plus product of zeros is equal to 0. So t square minus 25 by 2 into t plus 39 equal to 0. Now by taking LCM 2, तो LCM को हम डिनोमिनेटर से डिवाइड करते जाएंगे. 2 मल्टीप्लाई न्यूमिनेटर से मल्टीप्लाई, डिनोमिनेटर से डिवाइड, मल्टीप्लाई न्यूमिनेटर, डिनोमिनेटर से फिर डिवाइड, एलसीएम को मल्टीप्लाई विद न्यूमिनेटर. सो इट बिकम्स दिस माइनस 25t प्लस 78. 2 उधर जाके क्या हो जाएगा, मल्टीप्लाई. सो इट बिकम्स 2t स्क्वायर माइनस 25t प्लस 78 equal to 0 into something is always 0. Now to find required polynomial. With 0 it is always equation, and without 0 it is known as polynomial. So without 0 polynomial is 2t square minus 25t plus 78. So to find this polynomial, first we have been given alpha plus beta, given zero sum, given zeros product. We have find new sum of new zeros, new product of new zeros, then new equation by formula, and then new polynomial. With these 4 steps we can find the required polynomial. इस क्वेश्चन में alpha and beta are the zeros of the given polynomial, but values of alpha and beta are not given. Now we have to find another polynomial whose zeros are given, 2 alpha by beta and 2 beta by alpha, but we don't know the values of alpha and beta. Now how to find it, how to solve this? For this, a is coefficient of x square, b is coefficient of x, and c is constant term. So a is 3, b is minus 1, and c is 4. Now alpha plus beta minus b by a minus b is minus 1 by 3. It becomes 1 by 3. Alpha into beta is equal to c by a, 4 by 3. Now we will find new sum of new zeros, and new zeros are 2 alpha by beta and another 0 is 2 beta by alpha. Sum के लिए for sum plus between them plus. By taking LCM alpha into beta, now alpha beta by dividing by denominator beta, beta से beta cancel, this is alpha. Now this alpha multiplied by numerator 2 alpha. On the same way, LCM divided by denominator. Now beta here multiplied by numerator 2 beta. Alpha into alpha is alpha square. 2 into 1 is 2. Similarly 2 beta square by alpha beta. Two common alpha square plus beta square by alpha beta. To solve this, we have to find the value of alpha square plus beta square. To find alpha square plus beta square, we use alpha plus beta whole square is equal to alpha square plus beta square plus 2 alpha beta. Means we will use square identity. Now put the values of alpha plus beta, which is 1 by 3 square is equal to alpha square plus beta square plus 2. Alpha beta value is 4 by 3. It becomes 1 by 9. Alpha square plus beta square plus 8 by 3. Now on the other side it becomes minus alpha square plus beta square. Now by taking LCM 9 1 3 से डिवाइड करेंगे 3 मल्टीप्लाई 8 3 8 जा 24. नाउ सब्ट्रैक्ट करेंगे तो क्या आएगा 23. ग्रेटर साइन 24 है, ग्रेटर तो ग्रेटर का साइन हो जाएगा, सो -23. So value of alpha square plus beta square is -23 by 9. We use this value to find new s, new sum of new zeros. Put the values of alpha square plus beta square and also put the values of alpha into beta. Now by taking reciprocal 2 into -23 by 9 multiply 3 by 4 reciprocal 3 1 ja 3 3 3 ja 9 2 1 ja 2 2 2 ja 4. So it becomes -23 by 6. So new sum is -23 by 6. Now we will find product of new zeros. New zeros are 2 alpha by beta, 2 beta by alpha. For product there is multiplication. Beta to beta cancel and alpha to alpha. Product is equal to 4. Thus we have value of new product is 4. So up to now we have calculated new sum and new product. So by using these two values we will find new equation. Formula of new equation is x square minus sum of new zeros into x plus product of zeros equal to 0. X square minus value of s is -23 by 6. So this minus is in formula and this minus with value of s. Minus into minus is plus. 23 by 6 plus 4 equal to 0. Now by taking LCM 6 multiply x square. 6 को 6 से डिवाइड करेंगे 1 मल्टीप्लाई 23x. 1 से 6 को डिवाइड करेंगे तो 6 मल्टीप्लाई 4 इक्वल टू 0. So it becomes 6x square plus 23x plus 24 equal to 0 into 6. 6 डिवाइड में है तो उस साइड 0 into 6 multiplied. 0 into something is always 0. So 6x square plus 23x plus 24 equal to 0. Now required polynomial. Equation is with 0 and polynomial is without 0 expression. So polynomial is 6x square plus 23x plus 24. So how to solve this? First find from the polynomial, first find alpha plus beta, alpha into beta, then new sum, then product of new zeros, and by using them new equation, and from this equation the very polynomial can be obtained.